So just to share with you, so my project objective is the reduction of process defects in recording the monthly inventory for Quantrics. So for the scope of my project, really, it's just one segment, or not really one segment, one item, because it's a big, if you see inventory, it's super big. So for us, the only focus for my project first is the fixed asset related to one site, because we have 3 sites currently. And then as a result for my project, so we have annual estimated cost savings around 760,000 CAD, Canadian dollars. And then an estimate storage allocation reduction around 70%. And then, of course, based on the project that I have, the yield increases around from 70% to 95%. So for me, the major roadblock that I have on my project is in terms of data wrangling. It's more on the gathering of data until it is useful for this project. Because as you can see, if we have a new project, or like on this one, improve or optimize a process, there are times that data is not available. So for me, that's the major roadblock. And also, the thing is, I asked help also to our expert or SME. It's the BA team, or the business analytics. So they also helped me dig deeper for a useful data. So in terms of the training, like the Six Sigma training helped me. It's more on the facilitation of the work sessions. So I know you already learned about the Six Sigma circuit. So for this one, thank you, Sir Rex, because it's super useful. It also allows the POC to give like their ideas freely and to participate. And also right now, just to share with you, we are using it not only for a Six Sigma project, we also use it for a new project. Because it's like engaging the POCs, engaging the team to collaborate more. And then just a tip for you guys. So for me, it's more on practice what you learn, even if it is not like a real process optimization, because some of the things that you learn here, you can use it on a new project. It's just a different path, but it's the same thing. And of course, spread the Six Sigma way to reduce defect and also like produce a quality output.
Yeah, and did you ever find yourself going back to, so like you go through the process, right? Tapos pag nandun ka na sa analysis, ma-realize mo, ay, mali pala tong ano, yung scope ko. Do you ever find yourself going back?
Actually, hindi sa scope. It's more on the data. Like, I go to Crazy. Like, Crazy, I need your help on this one. Because it's more on, like, the data itself. You need to not really just analyze it. You need to dig deeper. Kasi yun nga, ang problem ngayon is more on the as-is data or the current mode of operation data. Minsan wala tayo nun eh. So, ang ginawa ko before, it's not on the scope, pero I have the data analysis and everything, but I need to go back para maging fruitful pa yung like yung storage allocation, like yung things na may impact for your project. Doon ako bumalik on the sense of the project.
Tapos paano pag ganun, so at that point, syempre you got the sign off from the sponsors na ano, when you decide na, I need to rethink about this, bumabalik ka rin sa sponsor?
Yes, yun. Ang isa ko ding advice is constant communication, both with your stakeholder and your POCs. Kasi yung mga POCs mo, sila yung parang SMEs. And then your stakeholder mo, sila naman yung approver. So, para hindi ma-derail yung project mo, I have my weekly meeting with my POCs and monthly touch point with my stakeholder. Just in case meron akong need update or as needed, and halimbawa yun, discover ko may something, I will book a meeting with my stakeholder, discuss what I discover, and then ganun siya.
Gotcha. And then yung last question, how long ulit did it take you to complete your project?
Actually, it's around 7 months because I need a current mode of operation for 3 months just to have a basis. And then the rest of the 4 months, yun na yung pinaka-result wherein I have the control already.
Got it. Okay. Thanks so much and congratulations.
Thank you!
Questions pa for Yen?
Me actually. Hi Yen. So I work actually in IT operations. So same as you. So we also deal with inventories for laptops and other hardwares. So, hindi ko sure kung nabanggit mo kanina, sorry if I didn't catch it up. Pero can you expound more about the problem itself? Let's say what specific problem with the inventory you had and what was the solution?
So first of all, it's more on if you compare our financials, the one we have on the books versus the inventory that we have, hindi siya nagmamatch. Like we have more items on the financial books rather than the real one or the physical one. And the other one is in terms of the storage allocation. We have 110 storage allocation last year before this project. So on this one, like even though we have the storage, we used our huddle room, storage room, just to put our inventory. And we don't have like the FIFO one, the first in, first out. So we have some equipment that is already past warranty that still on the storage. So on this one, what we did, I focused first on the fixed asset because it's more on the capital rather than those in consumables or OPEX or the operational expense. And then we build the process from requesting, like request as an employee, you request from procurement until it is stored and then deployed to employee. So more or less, it's the end-to-end process. And then we also have like the disposal piece of the process, so that once we have the disposal, we can go to PEDA and clear our books. So those.
Thank you and congrats.
Sorry, what is it?
Thank you and congrats.
Okay. I thought you have a question.
Questions pa for Yen? Okay, sige, last question for Yen. Yen, have you experienced difficulties in dealing with your teammates? May mga naging reason ba for delays?
Actually, not a delay, but the changes of POCs. Because, as you know, in a call center, mataas ang attrition and the changes of the people. So, yun yung naging challenge sa akin. Kasi I need to discuss if we have new employee. And diba, the expectation is our POCs is the SMEs. And nag-change yung employees. Yun yung isang challenge ko on this one. So I need to have like collaboration again, build the relationship, and everything.
Okay. So yung mga pre-circuit tools mo ba nakatulong in
Yun,
orienting the new members?
Yes.
Diba yung mga,
The
since you
project
already have,
charter, everything.
correct. So hindi na naging masyadong time consuming after
Mhm.
you have new team members.